Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. Boy, I could pick the days to blacksmith, can't I? It's about 21 degrees and the wind is gusting quite a bit today. But I have a bar of W2 stock to make a knife out of that Bronzecaster gave me. So I'm going to be working on that, and I'll give you an update on the fittings and everything for the wakizashi, because that's coming along. It's kind of a longer term project with all the fittings and everything, but it's going to be pretty cool. And so let's get going on the knife. So a quick word about the W2. It's a water quench steel, and it's got, I guess, vanadium in it, which is supposed to help with the hardening and stuff. I really don't know too much about it other than that, because I'm used to working with repurposed stuff, which is kind of like, hey, what the hell is that? I don't know, but I think I know what it did. So it's going to be kind of nice to work with something that I know exactly what it is, and that's why I am choosing not to fold it into anything. I just want to make a knife and then quench that, do a mud quench on it, and see what that looks like. So I have kind of a better baseline for my work. So when I go back to the scrap, I can at least fall back on that and say, well, it did or didn't do this or whatever. But at any rate, yeah, let's throw it in and, well, sort of, and get started. Okay, that's work on the tang for now. I'm going to start working on the blades. That's in there heating up. Just a little side note. You know, you live in the country when it's winter, and the roads aren't all that great, and somebody goes by in a dirt bike, which somebody did. Kind of funny. Not sure the smartest thing in the world, but it's kind of funny. Wow, it's getting cold. It's like it's getting to the point where I got to go outside and walk around in the snow just to warm my feet up. Go. And I just have to put the slot in there and touch it up. Good to go. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Had a pretty good forging day weekend, despite it being 11 degrees. Yeah, I almost got some, I thought I was going to get like a little more frostbite yesterday. I was a little more prone to it now, but yeah, my toes, I couldn't even feel them by the end of the day. It was crazy. But yeah, everything's cool. And I got a Tanto started. Blade itself is like 10.5 inches. I don't know what it is overall, but it's a good start on it with the W2 steel, so it's going to be very interesting to see how that quenches when it's done. But at any rate, hope you had a good one, and see you on the other side this week, and stay well, be good.